Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically make video editing way easier by using CapCut templates. So select the template button here and select whichever one you want to choose. I'm just going to select this one. Then you're going to select use template. Find some pictures that suits with the template, of course. I'm just going to pick a few. This one, and this one. Then I'm going to select preview, and then here you can edit it by cropping it if you'd like to and stuff like that. But if it's already fine, you're just going to select the export button. You can save it to your device, but there's going to be a CapCut watermark. If you don't want the watermark, just export it straight to TikTok by pressing save and share to the TikTok button. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!